Come, let us prepare. Make some good profits. Today, our market lift has big clues right here. This is important. Please pay attention to this. I will be running through why this is important, because this is the first time you see in a long time since the bounce up, right? Yeah, first time you see a strong seller up here. Now, does this mean we are selling tomorrow? Absolutely not, because they are going to be trying their best to kill off all the puts that were trying to be added throughout the week. But you never know. You always have to stay prepared, because there's still bearish liquidity right here. I will show you how to be looking out for that. So even if it dumps tomorrow, you will not be caught by surprise. And most importantly, this 5-day moving average. You have to pay attention to that, because this is the reason why you don't short this yet. And I talked about this in many videos. And just take a look between the upper Bollinger and the 5-day moving average right there. If you don't know what this is, you can start by watching yesterday's video, and it will link you to the video before and prior to yesterday, and it will chain up all my thought process depending on how far back you want to watch it, right? Because with each and every day prior to that, you can link up the chain of the thought process, and you can also learn how we were looking out for the entire move here right there. So understanding how this goes down, understanding when to call the bottom, understanding how this started bouncing up, especially from here, and then understanding how to sustain this even right there. So after this video, if you're new here, watch yesterday's video if you have the time. Otherwise, wait for the weekends to catch up on all the videos and to chain up your thoughts. It's very important. Trust me, if you do that, especially, I would consider this one cycle, one trading cycle, right? From the upper Bollinger to the bottom Bollinger, back up to the upper Bollinger, and all just within the month. So this is great value. In 1 month, you're able to experience one trading cycle, and if you watch the videos, you will certainly level up. So please watch it over the weekends if you have the time. Let's take a look.